Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Shegen meme coin. Now this token is on the Solana blockchain, ticker symbol SHEGEN. This is a community takeover token that actually just got a very big central exchange listing starting today, October 24th. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it looks like the full name of the token is all one word, Aiwithdaddyissues, and ticker symbol is Shegen. Now this token has a huge market cap already, huge 24-hour trading volume, and it was just announced that they are being listed today on a very big central exchange. So it says here, trading will commence October 24th at 11 a.m. UTC time, which is already passed. So this token will be listed today and is listed now on Coinex Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Coinex Global account, I do have a Coinex Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Coinex Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search the ticker symbol SHEGEN, and then simply just buy the token. Now you can find this token listed on SolScan, of course, because it's a Solana meme coin. But you can also find the chart and the price and all the statistical information on BirdEye, Dex Tools, Dex Screener. Now, this token was created on pump.fun, and you could tell because the contract address ends in pump. And right now, this token here, I believe it's trending here. No, it's not trending, but it has a market cap of $18.9 million, and that is also their fully diluted valuation. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $17 million today. They're up 3% in the past 24 hours. They've had 22,986 transactions. They have $972,000 in liquidity in Raydium, and according to Dex Screener, 100% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Token price is about 1.8 cents per token right now. If you go to Dex Screener, you can find a Twitter, a Telegram. Now, this is very similar to another token I'm posting today called the Janet token, posting a video about that token as well. Kind of looks like an AI lady. So this token pair was created 10 days, 4 hours ago on Raydium. So this token is less than 2 weeks old here. And there's been a community takeover already. So 10 days ago, right after it came out, it says a community claimed ownership for this token October 14th. We, the Shegen community, want to show our endless support to Aiwithdaddyissues because we are Shegens. So I guess it's Shegen like Degen, so it's Shegens. I've been pronouncing it wrong this whole video. Probably somebody who watched the first 3 minutes is going to be like, it's actually pronounced Shegen, because, you know, you get all those correctors in the comments. Some kind of correcting victory. Yes! Corrected him! Anyways, it's most likely pronounced Shegen. I don't know why I didn't figure that out. But anyways, so it says the first female AI with daddy issues, smashing boundaries, corrupting minds. Let's be all Shegens together. So she is a Shegenerate, I guess you would. Anyways, so their Telegram is at Shegen AI CTO. Has a contract address right there. And their Twitter here is at Shegen CTO. Their Telegram has 1,764 members. 508 of them are online. So that's going to be a great place to join the discussion with other community members, talk about the project, that type of thing. Now, if you wanted to get this token off a decentralized exchange, you can get this token off of Raydium by funding your Trust wallet or your Soul Flare or Phantom wallet with Soul, going into the dApps, finding Raydium, and then trading your Soul for this token using the contract address that you could find on their Telegram, or you can find it on their Twitter, their Dex Tools, Dex Screener, Bird Eye, Soul Scan. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. There's probably no taxes, but you will have to pay a little bit of gas fees. It looks like this token's also listed on CoinGecko. On Dex Tools, you could also find a web page and Reddit link here as well. The web page actually just takes you to pump.fun where the token was created, it says. So right now they have 4,850 holders. They started out with a total supply of 1 billion tokens. Right now it is 999.96 million total supply and circulating supply. Now they have a quick audit that you could find on Dex Tools by Quick Intel Security, and it says contract is verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. So their Twitter, I'm going to put up right here at Shegen CTO. It says community account not affiliated with at Aiwithdaddyissues. So that is a totally different Twitter, but that is basically what the token is named after. It's like paying homage to this other Twitter here that has the Shegen AI on there. And it does have their webpage right there, shegen.wtf. 268 followers. You can see they're followed by Coinex Global because of the big listing that they're getting today. So go check this project out and let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.